In this video, I'll be reviewing a new product from Anker called the MagGo 10K power bank. This power bank is more for the iPhone users out there that want to utilize the iPhone's magnetic charging system, hence the MagGo name. Can this power bank be one of the best for your iPhone? Let's find out. Starting with the unboxing, the box itself has some nice pictures of the unit and has some useful information. There is a 24-month hassle-free warranty, and this product is made in China. Opening up the box, the first thing we see is the power bank. Let's unwrap this thing and take a closer look. I did get the green color of this power bank, and it's a very nice shade. It's kind of like a green pastel. I actually wanted blue, but it was sold out at the time, which just goes to show how popular this thing is. On the front, we can see the Qi 2 emblem as well as the MagSafe style circular design, which is where your iPhone would attach to this power bank. Rotating it, we have the screen on the side. We'll take a closer look at this screen in a little bit. On the back, there is an intuitive little kickstand, and it has the Anker logo etched into it. It's a very classy look with the silver finish, and the lettering of the logo looks great. The kickstand is easy to open and close and will come into great use. This little button on the side will turn on the power bank screen so that you can see how much charge is left. It's not really an on-off switch for the power bank. The minute you put your phone on this power bank or you plug in a device to charge via the USB-C port, the charger will begin charging those devices. On this side of the power bank, we have the USB-C port as well as some information regarding the power bank. Included in the box is a quick start guide, and it shows some basic instructions and important safety precautions. It also has the support contact information for Anker on the back of the guide. Finally, we have the 2-foot long USB-C to USB-C cable. Doing some size comparisons here, here's a side-by-side with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. You can see it is smaller in length and width, however it is slightly thicker at 19.8 millimeters and does weigh 10 grams more than the iPhone. It's still very convenient to toss in the bag or even put in your pocket. I think it's a great size. So here's how the magnetic charging system works. Line up the circular logo with the back of your phone, and you'll feel the magnet pull your iPhone to attach it to the power bank. With this power bank, I found that the magnetic connection is pretty strong. There are factors that can affect this, specifically if you have a phone case on your phone. I would highly recommend using a MagSafe case for your iPhone. Now let's look at some key features of this power bank. This power bank has a 10,000 mAh battery, and Anker advertises that it can charge your iPhone, specifically the iPhone 15, about 1.8 times before you need to recharge the power bank. Anker also advertises that it can charge the iPhone from 0 to 50% in 44 minutes. That averages out to be around 1.13% per minute. Well, I decided to test this out. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I drained the battery on the iPhone to about 12%. Here's what I found. At 20 minutes, the iPhone went from 12% to 33%, a net gain of 11% and averaging 0.55% per minute. At 43 minutes, the iPhone went from 12% to 48%, a net gain of 36% and averaging 0.83% per minute. So although I didn't gain the 50% in the 44-minute advertised time, I am using an older iPhone, so an iPhone 15 may charge faster. And obviously there are other factors like my iPhone's battery condition and all. It took about 2 hours and 46 minutes to get my iPhone fully charged to 100%. And after fully charging my iPhone, the MagGo power bank still had 42% charge left. So that lines up with the Anker's claim that you can charge 1.8 times before the power bank needs to be recharged. I think one of the best features of this power bank is the fact that you have a small screen that shows how much power is left in percentage as well as in hours and minutes. As the phone is charging, you'll see the power draw reduce this number, and you'll know exactly how much you have left. You'll even see a little arrow showing that the device is charging. When you plug this power bank into a charger to restore the charge, you'll see a blinking icon that looks like a little lightning bolt that shows you the power bank is charging up. There are so many other power banks on the market today that do not have a screen like this, so you wouldn't really know how much power you have left. I think this gives the Anker MagGo a huge advantage over the other power banks. Another feature is that this power bank is Qi 2 certified. Qi 2 is the latest standard in wireless charging, and it is based on Apple's MagSafe technology, and it uses magnets to create a magnetic connection between devices and chargers. The ring of magnets ensures a perfect alignment with chargers and allows for faster charging speeds. Qi 2 chargers are typically rated at 15 watts charging speed, which is double the speed of Qi 1 chargers. This power bank uses the ARM Cortex-M0 processor, which is one of the smallest ARM processors available and has low power consumption. This processor also is part of what Anker calls the Active Shield 2.0, which monitors the temperature of the power bank 3 million plus times per day. This advanced safety system uses two mechanisms, a dynamic temperature sensor which actively monitors the temperature, and a power tuner chip that adjusts the current as needed to keep the power bank from overheating. In addition to the Active Shield, the internal design of this power bank has a multi-layered heat dissipation system with aluminum, graphene, and thermal insulation. This is extremely important because there have been many incidents where a power bank overheats and causes a fire or injury. Anker's smart idea to monitor the temperature is one of the things that sets this power bank apart from the rest. The little kickstand on the back is small but mighty. I'm so glad Anker incorporated this stand into the power bank because it allows for you to set the phone in a position that gives you easy viewing. Whether it's on your work desk or in a Panera Bread or watching your favorite YouTube videos, it's a simple yet ingenious addition to this power bank. And here are some additional features of this power bank. It has the ability to recharge devices using the USB-C port. Whether it's earbuds or camera gear batteries, it's nice to be able to charge up using this port. You can also charge your phone faster with the USB-C port with 27 watts charging speed, which is much quicker than the 15 watt wireless charging speed. You can also charge the power bank as you're charging your phone. Just plug in the USB-C cable into a charging port and the power bank will recharge as it's recharging your phone. This power bank comes in 5 different colors, so there's a wide selection of colors to pick from. As you can see, this power bank is loaded with great features and safety mechanisms. If you're in the market for a new power bank, definitely consider this Anker MagGo power bank. I paid about $80 for this and I think it's well worth it. If you have any questions or comments, please do leave them in the comment section below. Do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.